Dentaprime, it's like state of the art. It was like something out of another world. The cleanliness, the hygiene, everything is so well organised. They make you feel relaxed. I couldn't believe this place ever really existed, because normally you go to a dentist, it's just a simple room and that's it. But this is state of the art technology, and the actual things they use, everything is state of the art, and I'm really so happy with everything. The second time I came by myself for my treatment. Even though I was still nervous, everybody cared for me and they looked after me. I also, when I got back to Greece where I live, I mentioned it to a friend of mine who is English, and she's petrified of dentists. I said, go to Dentaprime. It's the best experience ever. You'll never regret it, and they will care for you every step of the way. They're there to look after you, to make you relax. So she came and she had a fantastic experience and said, if I have to go to the dentist again, I'm going to Dentaprime. Absolutely excellent service. I was only here for 2 days and they managed to fit me in the 2 days that I was here, and I'm so happy with the service. The staff are wonderful, very, very helpful, and I couldn't wish for a better place to go.